Kerana ramai yang kata kan, oh saya dah umur maybe like 50 kan, kalau saya letak kat dividend stock, dia terlalu lambat untuk nampak keuntungan. Maybe saya pun dah mati dah, pun belum dapat lagi nampak maybe my first 10,000 dari apa-apa je yang saya dah melabur. So what is your perspective?
Well, of course, people always say that kalau you nak melabur, mula daripada muda.
Betul.
Okay. Tapi kalau kita dah umur 50-an, dah hampir nak bersara, saya rasa kita masih lagi boleh bersara. Sebab sekarang ni kita kena faham, kita punya kita punya mortality rate kita is about 76 for men, for women about 80 years old. Something like that. So mana you masih lagi hidup lama lah. So, walaupun you 50, you have 20 more years to go. So there definitely you ada benefit kalau you start investing. Okay. At least you invest dalam dana-dana yang mempunyai dividen, yang give you dividend all the time. Okay. Tapi you kena pandai, you must know how to do the asset allocation. Because since you dah already approaching 50 and approaching 60, you don't have to invest all of your saving into stock market. Okay, you must maybe partially ataupun some of them invest in stock market, because you don't want if the market suddenly plunge ataupun merudum, so there goes your investment. Kalau you letak semua you punya dana dalam saham, so you kena buat asset allocation yang bijak dekat situ. Dan satu lagi ialah, of course,
download Malaysia's leading AI investment tool, Value Farm, for free now at Google and Apple Play Store.